Hello everyone. If you would like to see how I got this really big, bouncy, beautiful, full, coily afro, stay tuned. Hello everybody and welcome to Jazzy61. My name is Jazz. Before I get into this video, I want to say thank you to my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys for always supporting me, for coming back and watching more videos. You guys are the greatest. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that button down there and join the family. Yeah? But really, I would appreciate it if you join the fam, and go ahead and hit that notification button as well so you can get notified when I do new content, new videos, things like that. I'll be posting every Monday, Wednesday, and alternating on Fridays and Saturdays between 4:30 and 5:30. I post about a lot of different things. I got all types of content coming. So please, please, please join the fam. I really would appreciate it. Now, I bet y'all can already guess what this video is about, huh? Can't you? Yeah, you know what this video is. This video is a hair tutorial. I did my braids on Sunday, and I would love to say, oh, it's Monday or it's Sunday night. It's not, it's Wednesday night. I went to the hair stores here. They did not have the hair that I was looking for. They didn't even have a kind of sort of the hair I was looking for. So I had to order my hair online. So the hair I'll be using today is the Outre Expression 4C Coily Loop. It is a pre-looped hair, and I really kind of like the pre-looped hair. I believe it's like 4 strands in each loop. I ordered this hair from samsbeauty.com. I ordered it on Sunday night when I couldn't find the hair that I was looking for anywhere. It was $4.99 a pack, and I got 7 packs. I don't think I'm going to use the entire 7 packs, but the videos I've seen, people have used about 4 or 5, and my head's big. I know it don't look big, but it's a lot back there. Ordered 7 packs just in case, and I like my hair to be really full, so that could be why I use more packs than normal people, but I like really full hair. I ordered it in a color 1 because every place I checked did not have a 1B. They didn't have a 1B in the hair I was looking for, and they didn't have a 1B in this. They only had a 1. So it's okay, because the way I'm going to do my hair, you won't see my actual hair anyway, so it won't matter if the color is just a tad bit off. So overall, I spent about $37 on this hair with the shipping. Like I said, I ordered 7 packs from samsbeauty.com. I ordered it on Sunday. It got here today, which is Wednesday at about 11, and I ordered it Sunday night, kind of late. So I have ordered from them in the past. I ordered some faux lock hair, and it came out to be about the same price. If you spend over $30 on their site, there's usually a flat rate shipping on there somewhere. I spent over $30, so my flat rate shipping was $2.99, and it came out to $36 and some change, I believe. So I'm going to do most of this off camera. I already showed you guys, or I'm going to show you guys my braid pattern and everything to go, how my hair looks underneath the braids. I'm also going to show you the different things I used for this process. So again, here's the hair. It is in a color 1 because I did not have my 1B that I normally get. Nowhere had it. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this video. Here I'm showing you guys my braiding pattern. It is a struggle braid. I cannot see the back of my head. There's a scrunchie back there holding the other ends down so I could finish the last braid. I'm giving you a side to side. I have 10 braids at the front and 5 braids connecting it at the back. This is freshly washed hair and air dried overnight, and I never ever touch my edges. I value them way too much, so they get left out of the braids. Here are the tools I need: a latch hook, a scrunchie, a clip of some sort, any type of clip is fine, and some scissors to trim off the excess as well as to shape your hair. This is a mixture of oils. I just use this bottle because it's easy to spray. And here is the hair I'll be using. This is just one little piece that goes in and has 4 pieces in it. So I went ahead and did the back off camera. I used 2.5 packs to give me the fullness that I wanted. I forgot to show you guys at the beginning how one pack of hair looks. This is one pack here. It has about 15 pieces in it. So here I'm just showing you guys how I install the hair. First I go through and separate some of the pieces, not all of them, because I like to leave some of the curl there so you can still see the texture and the pattern. And then I like to pull the rubber band down to give you more space in that loop. Then you insert your latch hook, you catch that loop and pull it through. Go back through the loop and grab the hair and slide it through the open loop. And then you have it tucked in. And here I'm just showing you how to do it again. This time I'm just using one piece because it is the front of my hair. And I just take one of those sections and pull it apart, just take the rubber band off, and it separates into 4 pieces. And then I use individual pieces on the fronts because, as I said before, I do not like putting a lot of tension on the front of my hair. I like to save my edges. So here's the hair before I shape it or cut it in any way. And it's just kind of a mess. So I'm going to go ahead and trim it down some. And here's my final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave some comments down below. I'll be doing more videos like this in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye everybody.